Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a quick bonus video. Got a package from Mixed Media Minnesota yesterday, and so I'm really excited to share with you their November kit, which is a country Christmas. And she has 40 available, and they will be available on her Etsy on Monday, October 26th. So yeah, so I'm going to show you this, and then she also sent some digitals from her shop. So let's take a look. Let's first look at the papers, just because then we kind of know what everything's going with. So they are from Prima Marketing, Christmas in the Country collection. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Look at Santa. Oh, so cute. And then there's a little bit of a barn there. I've got a couple of stars that are floating around. I don't know if those may have been inside. The most wonderful time of year, dreaming of a white Christmas. Oh, that Santa is so cute. Oh, and the buffalo plaid. Oh my gosh, this is an adorable kit. So these are the journal cards here. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at with the little flower wreath. Love the barn. This looks like Montana. I've seen that scene in real life. Oh my goodness, this is a pretty kit. Love the reindeer. Oh my gosh, look at that collage. I had never seen this paper collection. This is absolutely adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yep, well, I might be making a what, 6th, 7th Christmas journal. Oh my gosh, this is great paper. Okay, so let's see what all goes with. So first of all, there's I don't know, those little stars just kind of came along for the ride. This is Finnabar Snowflake Paste. So it's like it's kind of like a modeling paste, but yeah, so that'll be fun to play with. Snowflake paste. And then some sequin red trim. I don't know, can you see that? Let me stand up here. It's red sequins anyway. Trim. And then some puffy stickers that go with the paper collection. Oh, super cute. Oh my gosh, look at these flowers. Aren't those pretty? Oh, I love the buffalo plaid. Okay, well, gonna have to do one with this. That's all there is to it. And poinsettias. Oh my gosh, this is an awesome kit, Shannon. We've got little chipboard candles. Those are adorable. Oh my gosh, the cover's already coming into my brain. And then there's the ephemera pack that goes with the paper collection as well. Super cute. Maybe I can show you some of the things there. And then this is Say It in Crystals. This goes with the paper collection too. And it's just, you know, little embellishments that are all kind of gold and wonderful. Oh my gosh, Shannon, that is a great kit. You guys, she only has 40 of them. So you better hop on there on Monday is my advice if you want this kit. And believe me, you want this kit. I am so excited. Oh yeah, we're gonna just set this right over here where I can have myself play with that here soon. Okay, and then Shannon as well sent some of her digitals from her shop. So let's take a look and see what all she sent there. Let's see, do I need to, maybe I'll zero in a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so this is Eco Dyed Set 2 here. That's cool how she did the crunchy paper. Yeah, that's really cool. I like how she zeroed in on various aspects of the paper. That's really cool. I have to look for a second, am I? Nope. I was wondering if I was upside down. You can see the little leaf imprints. Ooh, that's a cool one. Almost looks like a face, doesn't it? And tags. Oh, those are cool backgrounds. And pockets and tabs and everything. And an envelope. Ooh, that's a cool kit. That is Eco Dyed Set 2 at Mixed Media, Minnesota. And this one is called Christmas Joy. Let's see here. Oh, look at this Santa. He's so cute. He's different than any Santa that I've seen. Oh my gosh, it's just the cute little characters. That is adorable. Oh gosh, how cute is that? Look at Rudolph. Oh, that's so cute, Shannon. I love it. Gosh, I'm going to be making Christmas journals until about March 31st, I think. This is super cute. Look at that on the side of the page. Isn't that cute? Wow. Oh my gosh, so cute. Envelopes and tags and big tags. Oh, that is a perfect big tag with those little guys. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Some little like border type things. File folders. Oh, that is so cute. Christmas Joy is the name of that one. Okay, and then this one is Christmas with Our Forest Friends. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Look at the polar bears. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Isn't that a pretty kit? Wow. Some foxes. Fox eye. which way do you go? And a bunny. Really cute. Really fun. Oh, look at these postcards. Aren't those lovely? Those are really neat. Oh my gosh, some great kits, Shannon. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is beautiful. So this one, Christmas with Our Forest Friends. Then this one, Vintage Christmas, printed on ivory granite. So see, the paper is ivory with little speckles, but Vintage Christmas. Oh, I love those birds. Ooh, and she printed on vellum. Look at that same page. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, really cool. Really cool. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at the collage page. I'd have to have that in the middle of my signature, I think. My brain's about to explode right now. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Wow. She's got a bearskin rug on her lap, on her sled. Let's see. And then the tags. Wow. envelopes, pockets. I gotta get busy. That's all there is to it. Oh my goodness. That's really fun. The ornaments. And then banners and journaling cards and or pockets. So that one is Vintage Christmas. Absolutely beautiful kits, Shannon. Thank you for sharing them with us. Oh my gosh. So that is it for my share this time. I'm just doing the Mixed Media Minnesota because there was, you know, several kits, and then the big kit, the big November kit. So let me just pull that over for the last little shot here, just so you can feast your eyes once again on all this gorgeousness. Isn't that so fun? 40 of them going up in her shop on Monday, the 26th of October. So hop on over there if you want to get yourself one. So I hope you all have a great Saturday. We are buried in snow, and I am not kidding you. The snow is to the top of my husband's snowblower. It's like he's been out there for hours. It is crazy. Yeah, we're snowed in, literally. So everybody take care, stay warm and cozy, have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.